So now, as we have already discussed the divisibility rules, it will be easy for us to write the factors of the given number. So now we will do question number 1, page number 42, question number 1a. Question is 46. We have to write all the factors of 46. After divisibility rules, it will be very easy, you see. Any of the given number, what is the first factor always? Always the first factor is 1. And what is the second factor? The number itself. Now we will begin from 2, 3 and all of that. So first of all, we'll begin with 2. Is this number divisible by 2? Yes, it will be, because its ones place is 6. Whenever its ones place is even number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then 2 will be its factor. Will 3 be its factor? We have to add the digits of the number. When we will add 4 plus 6, we will get 10. So is the 10 coming in the table of 3? 10 is not coming in the table of 3. So will 3 be the factor of 46? No. Then we will say about 4. For 4, what rule I told you? Either both the numbers should be 0, or while dividing this with 4, we are getting any remainder or what. So we will divide and see. 46 with 4, 1 times 4, cut 6, 1 times 4 will be 2. 2 is the remainder here. So whenever any remainder is left, will it be considered as the factor? No. If there is remainder, 4 will not be considered as its factor. After 4, we will go ahead till 5. For 5, what is the rule? For 5, one's place should be 0 or 5. Is it 0 or 5? No, this is 6. So 5 also will not be the factor. We'll go till 6. What is the rule for 6? If in the given factors 2 and 3 both are there, then 6 itself will be considered as its factor. So is there 2 and 3 both? No, only 2 is there, na? So can we say 6 is its factor? We cannot say 6 as its factor, right? Then 7. For 7 also we will divide 46 with 7. Any remainder is left, then it is not the factor. So when we will divide 7 6 are 42, 4 will remain, 7 also will not be the factor. For 8 also we will divide and see. 8 5s are 40, again it will not be. For 9 we will add the numbers. When you will add 6 and 4, what you will get? 10. Is 10 coming in the table of 9? 10 is not coming in the table of 9. So 10 also is not the factor. For 11, it is also not the factor. 12 also, you will divide and see. No. In the table of 13, 46 is coming or what? You count the table of 13 and say 46 is coming there or what? So again, in 13 table also 46 won't come. Okay. Like that you will count the table and write other factors. We will see next question, that is 85. So we'll write here B 85. First factor is 1, second one is 2. Then for finding the third one, one's place is the even number. No, it is not the even number. So it is 1, no? It will be 85, sorry. 2 will not be the factor. For 3, we will add the number, add the digits. So 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 is coming in the table of 3? No. So 3 will not be the factor. 4 also I won't think the factor, because 4 2s are 8 and 1 will remain in remainder. So 4 is not the factor. For 5, yes, 5 will be the factor, because 1's place is 5. Then similarly you count all the numbers, all the tables you count and see which other table 85 is coming. In the table of 14, 16, like that you count the table and then you see which table it is coming. 85, okay. 17 table you will get 5 times 85, right? So 17 will be its factor. Okay, like that you count and write the numbers. A and B I have done. Similarly, you count rest of the numbers, that is C, D and E. Then you solve A, B, C, D, E in your copies. Okay.